Now let us see next question. That is question number 71. Humidity means, actually humidity means the amount of water vapor present in atmospheric air is called humidity. So let us hear which option is suitable. Here option 2 is right option for the question 71. Now let us see next question, that is question number 72. 40 grams of water at 60 degrees centigrade. 40 grams of water at 60 degrees centigrade is added to 60 grams of water. So here grams indicate mass, indicate this one is a temperature 30 degrees centigrade. So T2 is 30 degrees centigrade. Actually 40 grams of water at a 60 degrees centigrade added to 60 grams of water at 30 degrees centigrade. Then the final temperature of the mixture is, so we need the final temperature, that is indicated by T. So final temperature T is equal to, we need to find it, we have a formula T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Now let us substitute the values here. M1 is 40. So 40 into 60, 40 into 60 plus 60 into 30, 60 into 30 by M1 plus M2, 40 plus 60. So if we simplify here, 40 into 60 is 2400 plus 60 into 30 is 1800 divided by 40 plus 60 is 100. So on simplification here, 2400 plus 1800 is 4200 by 100. On cancellation you will get 42. As it is temperature, it is 42 degrees Celsius. Now let us see the option which is suitable. Here from the options you see, first option is given less than 50 degrees, second one greater than 50 degrees, third one is equal to 50 degrees and fourth one none of these. Actually 42 is not given here, but you don't be confused. From options you see this is strictly less than 50 degrees centigrade. So for this question 72, option 1 is the right answer. Now let us see next question, that is question number 73. Ghee is converted from liquid to solid state during winter season. This process is called freezing. This process is called freezing. Now let us see the options. So from the options, option 3 is the right answer for question 73. Now let us see question number 74. The total internal reflection in diamond makes it shine because the critical angle of the diamond is, actually here when angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then in such a case total internal reflection takes place. Especially in diamond it shines because there is more total reflection. That means here almost all the angle of incidence at every ray is clearly greater than the critical angle. In reverse you see the critical angle is very low in diamond. So from the options here, option 2 is right option for the question 74. Now let us see next question, that is question number 75. A rectangular tank of depth 4 meter is full of water of refractive index 4/3. When viewed from the top, the bottom of the tank is seen at a depth of, actually here given depth, actual depth given as 4 meters and a refractive index is 4/3 and we need to find apparent depth. So in this case we have a formula children, refractive index is equal to actual depth by apparent depth. So let us substitute, it is 4/3 is equal to 4 by d2. Now let us do cross multiplication. 4 times d2 is equal to 4 times 3. So d2 is equal to 4 times 3 by 4. 4 get cancelled. Therefore d2 is equal to 3 meter. See here, always in this case apparent depth is always smaller than the actual depth. Now let us see here options. From the options, option 1 is the right option for the question 75. Now let us see next question, that is question number 76. To examine the internal organs of a human body through light, the doctors use, actually they use here children, in this case optical fiber, especially in the diagnosis of endoscope and all. So here optical fibers are used. Here it is fourth option, therefore option 4 is right option for the question 76. Now let us see next question, that is question number 77. A bird is flying vertically downwards the surface of water of a lake with constant speed. See here, for example, this is a lake and here is a bird. Okay, it comes towards the surface of the water with constant speed. For a fish inside the water, suppose B for the bird, and here is a fish. Fish inside the water, exactly below the bird, then the bird appears to be. So how the bird appears to the fish? Actually here if you understand clearly, the bird maintains a constant speed, but for the fish it appears to be, it has more speed, means faster than the actual speed, and also it is farther than the actual distance. So here let us see the options. First one, farther than the actual distance, closer than the actual distance, at the actual position, or none of these. From the options here, option 1 is the right option for the question 77. Now let us see next question, that is question number 78. The angle between the paraxial rays and principal axis is dash. Actually paraxial rays, in name it is there. Paraxial rays means the rays which are almost parallel to principal axis. In other way we can say, actually they maintain very close distance, so that is negligible. In other words we can say paraxial rays almost they pass through the principal axis, that's why here the angle between them is 0 degrees. So from the options if we see, option 2 is the right option for the question 78. Now let us see next question, that is question number 79. A convex lens has a focal length of 10 centimeter, so f is equal to 10 centimeter, and u is the object distance, then the image distance is given by, generally image distance we represent it by v, so image distance is to be found now. Here as it is the convex lens, according to the sign conventional rules, focal length is always positive. Image distance is to be taken as negative, and object distance is to be taken negative. Image distance is to be taken positive. So here let us give the values here. F is positive, already F is 10 centimeter, that is in positive. U is negative, so U can be taken as here children minus U, and V is positive, let us leave V as it is. Now here by lens formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Let us substitute the values here. 1 by F means 1 by 10 equal to 1 by V minus U is minus U, since it is convex lens. So here this minus and this minus becomes plus, so it is plus 1 by U. Let us find V, so send this 1 by U this side. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by 10 minus 1 by U. If you simplify, here 10U is the LCM, so it is U minus 10. So here we need V, so let us do reciprocal both the sides. So V is equal to 10U by U minus 10. Now let us see the options here. From the options, 10U by, it is 10U by U minus 10, it is the third one. So for this question 79, Option 3 is the right option. Now let us see next question, that is question number 80. A double concave lens of refractive index is 1.5. So here n is equal to given 1.5. With its two spherical surfaces of radii r1 equal to 30 centimeter and r2 equal to 45 centimeter is kept in air. So here this is one sphere and this is another sphere, here whose radius is 30 centimeter and this one is 45 centimeter. This is 30 r1, this is r2, it is 45 centimeter. Now here we are writing here a concave lens. So this is r1, this is r2. According to sign conventional rules, here r1 is from the origin, okay, it is the direction opposite to the incident ray. So here r1 is to be taken negative, so r1 equal to minus 30 centimeter and r2 is equal to here 45 centimeter. Then the question is that then its focal length is, so we need to find focal length. Actually here for that we need to use lens maker's formula. Actually there are two formulas, children, we should not get confused. One is lens formula, another one is lens maker's formula. Lens formula is what? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. But here we need to use lens maker's formula. That is what? 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So now let us substitute the values here. N minus 1, since n is 1.5, 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5. Directly I am writing here into 1 by r1. r1 is minus 30. So I am writing this negative minus is here and r2 is 1 by 45. r2 is 45. So here let us simplify. This 0.5 can be 5 by 10 into, here let us take LCM. For 30 and 45 LCM is 90, children. So 33 is 90, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 45 2 is 90, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So here it is 5 by 10 into minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 by, here it is 90. Now let us do here cancellation. It is 5 1 jar and 5 18 jar. This one 5 1 jar, 5 2 jar. So it is plus into minus, minus 1 by 18 2 jar 36. This is the value of 1 by f. Now the question is that f. So f equal, let us take reciprocal. It is minus 36 centimeter. Now let us see the options here. From the options, minus 36 centimeter is the fourth option. Therefore fourth option is the right one for the question 80.